So I'm sitting here with here today. I think is it green? I can't tell. But it's funny that they're finally fixing this fence. It's been a couple of years. I think 4 or 5 years since they fixed it actually. Actually, they put a new fence up over here, it looks like. That's actually kind of funny. Yeah, they put a new fence up. Hopefully they made this one stronger than the last one. Oh, that's pretty strong on there. Go back over here. I think I hear this guy sitting there in his car. I think he has a scanner on, so I'm going to turn my, I'm going to do this.
3, 2.
Listen to both the road channel and the dispatch channel at the same time. See if I can hear anything. I like how I can do that on this scanner. My Bearcat couldn't do that. That's part of the reason I got this Baofeng one. Pretty nice little scanner. I keep saying that, but if you're into like radios and listening to police, fire, EMS, air, railroads, anything that uses radio, I highly recommend it. It's a really good one, and it's not too expensive. I paid $43 total for that one, and because I paid like $13 extra for it to be same day delivery. I thought I heard something, but I could be wrong. So these guys just pulled out. This one's not as strong as the other one. Did they put a gate? Is there a gate right here? Or no? They filled that in with concrete. I don't know why they did that. There's a Jeep over there with ducks. Jeep owners are strange. Like, it's a thing called ducking, and Jeep owners put ducks in other Jeep owners on other Jeep owners' cars. And like, hey, I bought you this 99-cent duck, and here you go. So we got headlights. Let's set up my tripod here. He's looking. Well, look, he's not going very fast. He's going kind of slow. It gives me enough time to set this tripod up. We'll go over here in the shade a minute. Actually, I'm going to go over here and do it. Away from it. I figured the signals were green. Like I said, he ain't going very fast. I was gonna say he might have just come off the siding, but unless there was another eastbound, but I didn't see nothing. Must have had a slow order. Oh, that's a CN train. Two locomotives on the front. Oh, there's one locomotive in the front. That's the fourth autorack train I've seen today. Oh, there's two in the front. Yeah. That was loud. Can't really see anything in there. It's really slow though. Probably just come out of Flynn. Or he could have come out of Detroit, I don't know. Wait to see if this guy, I don't think he has a DPU. Like I said before, he sounds like he's slowing down too. I don't know why he'd be slowing down. Well, if you're siding is west of here. Unless he's picking something up, but I don't know why he'd be going that slow. See, I think I see the end of it. That was the end of it. Actually, I think these might be loaded. Now I see the end of it. No, wait. No, there's more. There's more. Wow. There's a lot of fucking autoracks. That's incredible. Like I said, this is the fourth autorack train I've seen today. Got some Norfolk Southern cars, got some Canadian National cars, CSX cars. NSF car, another CSX, Ferromex car, TTX car, I don't know, TTX, Union Pacific. Oh, this is cool. There's like Mario. Holy shit, that's cool. CSX, can't tell what that one is. CSX. Ferromex. I don't know what that one is because it's not labeled. CN car, CSX Hourglass, CSX Union Pacific. This is a long one. There's no, and Lisa. That's funny. Some of these are Kansas City Southern, Kansas City Southern, more Union Pacific. Canadian Pacific, Kansas City, Santa Fe. There's a Santa Fe one on there. There's some crazy ass graffiti. I see the end of them now. No DPU, but this is still a long guy. Not a long. That little orange thing in the back, I don't know if you can see it. That's a end of train device, or EOTD, which is something they use. Oh, we got more headlights. No way. Oh, I thought I seen headlights down there. Never mind. That must have been a reflection on a car. I'm like, hey, we got more headlights down there, another eastbound, but no, it's just probably a car crossing up there. That was a pretty good one though. Like I said, that was the fourth autorack train that I seen today. That's crazy. All right, let's see if there's anything else I can catch.